Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we are bringing you the full detailed review of the Aero Strike 7X, a futuristic, high-performance machine built for riders who demand power, precision, and pure aerodynamic excellence. The Aero Strike 7X is not just a motorcycle, it is an advanced engineering masterpiece designed to deliver extreme speed, razor-sharp handling, and unmatched road presence. Every angle, every curve, and every component has been crafted to reduce drag, increase stability, and enhance overall performance, making it a true beast on the streets. The design of the Aero Strike 7X is inspired by fighter jet aerodynamics, giving it a sharp, aggressive, and dominating appearance. The front features a sleek aerodynamic fairing with ultra-bright LED projector headlights that ensure full visibility in all conditions. The sculpted fuel tank adds a muscular touch, providing the perfect grip for long, fast rides. Its lightweight chassis allows the bike to glide through the air with minimal resistance, making high-speed riding smoother and more controlled. The rear end features a stylish LED tail section with a sporty stance that gives the bike a completely modern identity. When it comes to performance, the Aero Strike 7X is powered by a high-output engine that delivers instant acceleration and exceptional torque. Its advanced cooling system keeps the engine temperature stable even during long, aggressive rides. The bike's quick response throttle, precision-tuned suspension, and race-inspired braking system give you complete confidence at high speeds. Whether you're cruising on highways or attacking sharp corners, the Aero Strike 7X maintains perfect balance and traction. The transmission is smooth, allowing riders to shift gears effortlessly, making the overall riding experience extremely enjoyable. The digital cockpit of the Aero Strike 7X is fully equipped with a modern multi-information display that shows speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, trip meters, and more. Its advanced electronic features include ride modes, traction control, and smart connectivity options that elevate your riding to the next level. These smart features not only enhance performance but also improve safety and convenience for everyday use. Comfort is also a major part of the Aero Strike 7X's identity. The ergonomic seating position keeps the rider relaxed even during long journeys. The suspension system absorbs bumps smoothly, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride on all types of roads. The bike's tires provide excellent grip on both dry and wet surfaces, giving riders the confidence to ride in any weather condition. Every detail of the Aero Strike 7X reflects quality, durability, and long-term reliability. In terms of road presence, the Aero Strike 7X stands out with its bold styling, aggressive silhouette, and premium finish. Whether you park it or ride it, the bike grabs everyone's attention. It is built for riders who want style, performance, and technology all in one package. The Aero Strike 7X is a perfect choice for speed lovers, daily commuters looking for thrill, and those who want a bike that looks as powerful as it performs. It brings the future of motorcycling into the present with its advanced aerodynamics, cutting-edge electronics, and dominating performance. Thanks for watching this detailed review of the Aero Strike 7X. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive videos. I will see you in the next video.